What you think, over or under 50?
I'm gonna go over 50 today.
Over 50?
They've been in this field for 4.5 days.
All right.
That's a pretty nice quality.
Those things are nice.
They're loud, clear.
We got about 4 clones on each side of the old kill hole. Little secret for you guys. Keep that middle open. Keep that middle open. I usually put 2 decoys out in the middle to mess with Michael, but that's about it. So other than that, pretty wide open. Clone them all the way up the spread. All the way. Snows like to follow the spread. So we got it about 150 yards long. They're gonna crawl up, see the open spot in the movement. Ooh! A little chilly this morning. Chillier.
Oh, Blue. Blue, lay down.
This guy next to me, he lays up in the blind like this, and he's always the first one to see the birds coming in.
It's because I'm fat.
He's a little bit fat, has trouble getting out of these chairs, getting up and shooting, but
And I got a bad back, you jerk.
solid cameraman though. But anyway, welcome back to another video. It is day 6 up here in Saskatchewan. If you have not been following along, be sure to watch the videos prior to this one. We are laying in the decoys again because that's our favorite thing to do, isn't it, Michael?
That's my favorite.
Oh, on the left, on the left. Anyway, we got east wind, sun at our back, laying in the full bodies. We're covered up in ghillie blankets. We're about to start ripping. They are coming on our left right here.
Yeah, here they come, boys.
Yeah, that's sexy. Oh, with the freaking long shot. 3 for 3 with the old G-Force shotgun ripping.
Pretty good.
That was pretty
All of you
good.
people that talk crap about the old
Come back out front. Get that way flat.
Winchester experts, these are 4 shot. No, they're 3
They're gonna come
shot.
over the top. We're gonna do them again.
Dogs are amped this morning. Dang, that flock was pretty juicy, Michael. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty awesome. Winchester experts, they still smack geese. I don't care what anyone says.
Oh man, these are low. Oh my god.
Oh, these are screwed.
Look at all the blues down.
Blue goose heaven.
Oh yes, baby!
Reload, baby.
Reload, more coming.
Hang on, let me get this runner real
Wait,
quick.
go ahead, whack it. There you go. All right, send the dogs. Nice shooting,
Good
boys.
shooting, guys. Good shooting, guys. Give me some nucks.
Thanks,
Give me some nucks.
Appreciate it.
Can't get that.
You can't get much better than that. They're gliding in from the left side. We thought a bunch of them were going to come from behind us. Oh no, they're coming from behind us. Those 2 first flocks are nice. Going to warm up with some little bit of coffee. Y'all be sure to go support Dirty Duck Coffee. They're a family brand. Basically started out of the house, and good people that support waterfowl hunters. So you can use my code COLE10 to save yourself a little bit of money, but it's awesome coffee and a good company to support for sure.
Here they come, bunched up on the left, Mo. No, kennel. Kennel.
Oh, they're flipping. See if they'll sit. Let them get in.
Airplane!
3 for 3. Little catch up on the gun there. Dadgummit.
All right, these guys pick up birds quick. Couple guys jump up.
Couple birds. We destroyed these. Oh yeah, Dirt Nap City. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Little juvie action there. Look at the hole. Check out the spread, guys. We got it ran deep down. Big hole in the middle. Clones on each side, and our layout's at the top of the spread, east side. Not too shabby. That was a big rain out.
Everybody come back.
Give me some knuckles, baby.
Nice shoot, nice shoot.
Thanks, man. You too. Yeah! Trucking them! We got them! We're getting them today. That's where you give that guy on Call of Duty the old teabag.
Get out.
Your head went up and down.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Spring.
All Rossies. Do a flip. Come on. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. They are dropping. Come on, bitches. Come on. Get down. Here we go. Stacking up. Ooh.
This is gonna be filthy.
Oh, a lot of Rossies.
They're balling up.
Oh my gosh.
They're balling up.
Oh, baby.
Oh boy.
Oh, look at that. That makes
Oh.
a dick hard.
Mega brain!
Folding them. Reload, reload. Holy moly.
I like that, boys!
3 for 3. Man.
Oh my god!
Oh my.
Blue!
Golly, give me some love, baby. We got them
Rossies
good
was
birds.
perfect.
We got them good birds.
More coming!
Grab these
Here,
close.
Blue, here!
It's close ones for him. Was it? I didn't even look.
Front left coming again! Here, Bo!
Oh yeah, close left.
Ooh, I thought that one had one.
Kettle, kettle, kettle!
You might actually make me like snow goose hunting.
Yeah, it takes one good day.
It's all fun and games until they stacked up flipping on you.
Oh no, don't.
Oh, they blew them up on us.
It's okay. We still got them. We still got them. Back flock. Ooh, come on. Go down. Go down. There he goes.
There you go, nice shooting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let them work.
Holy cow. Michael's being patient today. I love it.
Well, they're also doing it.
Yeah, I know. They're also doing it
Look at all
freaking
them
filthy.
Rossies.
Freaking filthy. Oh yeah. 4 down low. Woo-wee.
Done.
Oh yeah. Get in here.
Damn them clones.
Here we go. This flipping flock here.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Center up, baby.
They're gonna be filthy. Look at all them Rossies.
Go down. Yeah! Get him! Oh, right behind it. Good shooting. Look at all of them.
Blue!
Oh, baby. I think I've tripled 4 times. Get Whitey! Make it rain! We got Rossies!
Here, Blue, here!
We got
We got the Rossies.
Are you having fun yet, Cole?
I'm having a blast.
On the left!
This is what you wanna wake up for.
Oh,
God. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, this is gonna get dirty.
Behind him,
Yeah,
holy
all the
crap.
Bear City.
It's okay.
Blueface Ross! Blueface Ross, right in the middle! Blueface
No
Ross!
way.
Blue, don't let the dogs go. I'm gonna go grab that one. That's a blueface.
Hell yeah.
Man, you may never.
I've never seen Michael run that fast. Gosh dang gun hung up on me. You little dirty dog. He's fired up.
He's got good eyes.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Look at that one.
Holy cow, that is gorgeous.
Look at that!
That's one of the rarest birds you can shoot, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Let me get in on that.
Not my first rodeo.
That's a beauty.
Wow. Explain what it is.
Okay, so this is a Ross goose. 1 out of every million will be a blueface. Very rare.
Holy
I've only shot 3 in my life. Very rare.
gosh, that's sick looking.
And you
dude.
know it's a blueface just by the way it
Look
is.
at the wings, they're white and
Yeah.
blue. God, man. That's awesome.
Here, bud.
Saving that sucker. You popped them too, I
I did.
think. Yeah.
I got it.
Hell yeah.
It's a blueface Ross. It's a blueface Ross.
We're getting the rain outs, we're getting the blue phases.
Behind
Now
us.
we just need a couple bands up here. A couple bands would be a cherry on top today. Wow. All right, Blue, you can be excited. I don't blame you.
Have
On the
fun.
left, on the left. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
God, till left big time. We've seen so many birds.
Locking up.
Awesome.
These birds are comfy, comfy.
That's not common.
Here we go, blue dropping. That is sick. Dude, that's my first blue phase on a hunt.
Really?
Yep.
Let's do these. Got him! Oh, I didn't reload.
Dang, I'm dropping them deep, baby. Gosh, dang it, boy. I'll tell you
Another
what.
one.
I will tell you what. More coming, real low. More coming.
Blue, here.
We're gonna get these. Oh. Yep. Settle down. Here, crane. Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. No.
We're getting loud.
Here we go. We're stacking up. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Here we go. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh my. We shot the same one. Reload. Oh! I'll tell you one thing, I'm glad we're on the left side.
There's so many.
Oh!
It's called. It's not a coincidence.
It's destiny. Wow. I hope y'all are hitting that thumbs up button. Takes you 5 gosh dang seconds. Hit that thumbs up button. This
That's
is
the key when you're hunting
what
slow.
you
You
dream
got
of
'em,
right here when you come to
let 'em work.
Saskatchewan. Rossies,
You got 'em.
Juvies, beautiful blues.
Patient.
Wow.
Blue, here, fetch him here. More coming.
This is a freaking
More
massacre.
coming. Back.
God. Oh my gosh, dude.
They don't like them clams, do they?
They're going right around them.
Got him! Oh, I got one!
Nice with the deep shot.
Blue!
Ah! Ah! Wee-woo. Man alive.
All right, like that, help the dogs. Everybody up, grab some birds.
Oh. In the hole. Clean the hole. Oh. Gosh dang. Look at all these bloogies. You don't shoot blues like this anywhere else, do you? That many of them? Good grief. Look at the freaking pile of them out here. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Hi. Oh. Rossies. There's some Rossies. Rossi. That ought to be good. Oh, what a beautiful morning here in Saskatchewan. This, where would you rate this hunt on your scale?
Well, it's definitely at 9.5 for sure.
No, like top 10, top 5 hunts?
For sure, top 5.
Top 5?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, dude, they're doing it so
It
good.
doesn't get much better than that.
What do you got there?
For snow geese anyways?
Yeah, look at that.
Woo!
Full pounce of the great white snow goose.
Look at all the blues, dude. Look at the blues.
Hey, count.
I'm gonna have to say you were right, Michael. We're over 50.
Count.
Holy cow.
Send Reggie. Go!
Oh my god. I don't even like shooting at those, Michael, and you're just powdering them. I might have to take me a long dong here in a little bit. Gosh. You see how quick we shot those two? Quick draw McGraw. McNeil's a quick shooter. He pulls up fires. Hand-eye coordination.
That's what it is. Back!
What you think about people that aim too hard?
I just pull up and shoot. It's all instinctive. If you overthink it, you're gonna miss.
What about that comment on Meat Eater when he lost his bead on his gun? What'd you think about
Well,
that?
I don't know if I've ever even looked at the bead in my gun. Yeah, it's back.
Gosh.
We're straight savages today, boys.
Oh my gosh. By far the rarest bird I've ever been a part of a hunt on, right? When
The
you
thing is you can really tell a lot of people say they shoot them, but unless they've got those warty gray part on the front of it, it ain't a Ross. A Ross goose also, here's a snow goose to show you the difference between the peaks. So here's your standard snow goose peak, and here's a Ross goose peak.
yeah.
So unless it looks like this, it's not a blue face. A lot of people post them on the internet and they don't really know what they're talking about, and this is a really nice one. Typically the blue face will have the pronounced blue on the top of the head peak too.
All right, so we've shot leucistics and spec Canada hybrids, snow spec hybrids. This is more rare than those.
Yes.
Would you say?
Well, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 in a million.
Yeah.
Got him!
Oh, someone got a lake shot on that one. Probably sitting around 130, 140. Killed about 120 of those in 35 minutes. It was one of the best snow goose hunts I've been on in a while, so super stoked for that. I was trying to mention how rare this bird is we shot. I've never been on a hunt or shot one myself. Still haven't shot one myself, but just to be a part of that, literally over 1,000 hunts, never seen a blue-phase Ross killed in a spread, so pretty awesome. I really hope y'all hit that thumbs up button on this video. It was a great hunt, had a super fun time. First pass, gliding in straight into the kill hole. Got a couple triples, I think, but be sure to subscribe if you're new here. I hope you're following along with this series. If you haven't seen the past videos, you can click right here, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on, we got to say, next one.